Hello everyone and welcome to the video of Margi RP, in which our today's topic is that how we can adjust the credit note against the bill. But before this, let us know why we adjust the credit note against the bill. Let's take an example. Suppose one of your customer has purchased some products from you, and now from those purchased products or items, they want to return few of the products. So in that case, there is a need to generate the credit note against those products which needs to be returned. So now let's come and see its process in the software. And in Marg software, you can adjust the credit note both at the time of billing or also after creating the bill. So in this video, we are going to tell you that how you can adjust the credit note at the time of bill modification. For that, we will go to transaction menu, then to sale, and then from here click on modify bill. So this modify window will get open, on which we will keep pressing the enter key. Then this sales book window will get open. We will select that bill from here of whose credit note we need to adjust and press enter key on it. Then a sale alteration window will get open. Now we will click on the modify tab, and then by switching the cursor at the end of the items, we will keep pressing the tab key. And also at the time of bill creation, you have to simply use the tab key on the sale bill window for adjusting the credit note. Then we will click on yes on this save changes window. So a bill adjustment window will get open. Then we will click on this given edit tab. Now press enter, and from the drop down we will select adjustment reference and again press enter key, so that all the list of pending invoices and credit notes will be shown to you here. Now from this pending invoice window, we will select that credit note, means we will press enter key on that credit note which we want to adjust, and as per the requirement we will adjust the credit note against the selected bill. So friends, by following the simple process shown in the video, you can easily adjust the credit note against the bill. Thank you.
Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.